Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm one of San Diego River Park Foundation's beautiful preserves. Since I'm not in a public place, it's safe for me to take off my mask. The San Diego River Park Foundation is a nonprofit organization that works with the community to create a better future for the San Diego River. Our organization owns and manages over 2,200 acres of wild land in the river headwaters, which are located in the mountains northeast of San Diego. This land has been conserved with the support of hundreds of community members who helped us acquire the land. Our preserves provide habitat for wildlife, protect clean water, and include places for people to recreate. Today, we're actually at Boulder Creek Preserve, near Descanso. Boulder Creek, which flows through this 13-acre property, is a beautiful freshwater stream, rich in biodiversity. Our staff and volunteers work on various research and habitat restoration projects on site. Today, I'd like to share with you an update on one of these projects, our native tree propagation and restoration program. Here at San Diego River headwaters, many of our native oaks have been lost due to development, wildfire, and destruction of harmful pests. By replanting trees, we can improve habitat for local wildlife, increase local wildfire resilience, reduce soil erosion, and boost carbon sequestration. An amazing community of volunteers has helped us with replanting here at Boulder Creek Preserve. First, a Boy Scout troop collected acorns from the region. Then we gave those acorns to students at Montgomery School, who sprouted them and cared for the seedlings. Approximately 200 sixth graders participated in this project, growing about 240 baby oaks. In December of last year, about 40 volunteers gathered here to plant the young trees, and half of the participants were children.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Today, we're going to follow two of those children as they check on the status of their baby oaks. All right, let's go check on the trees that we planted in December. Do you remember which ones you planted? Over there? Okay, let's go over there.
Look, it's a baby oak and it's still alive. Let's check on this one.
Oh, that one? Okay.
You want to find another one? Oh yeah, look!
There.
Yeah, you remember we had some in the grass back here?
Oh, yeah. Look at that one that's overflowing.
Yeah.
The one that's overflowing.
The first year can be difficult for a new tree. The seedling might be eaten by animals, or unpredictable rainfall might make it hard for the trees to establish. Typically, 40 to 60% survival rate is considered good. Fortunately, we've had a wet winter here in San Diego region, and so far it looks like about 60% of the trees have survived. We look forward to watching these trees as they continue to grow. San Diego River Park Foundation's volunteer programs are currently on pause, but we look forward to seeing you soon. Please visit our website to learn more about Headwaters volunteer opportunities. Bye!